What up, everyone? We are going to Volcano Bay today, finally. Woo! We can't wait to hopefully relax. Yeah, it's been a crazy last couple of days hanging out at the other two parks. Actually, we've mainly been hanging out at Universal Studios Florida.
Yeah.
And then hopefully we'll get some more Islands of Adventure time in later tonight, maybe.
Yeah. Yesterday we did the tour, and that felt, even though we did the only the 3 houses, it felt like it was forever.
Yeah, it took a while. I mean, I haven't stood up that long straight in a while. Usually I'm used to moving, so I was like, oh my legs.
Yeah, everyone in the group was like, my legs.
Yeah, people weren't dealing. It was so. Check out this nice garden walk. Our pathway towards Volcano Bay. It opens in a few minutes. There was early entry an hour ago, but you know, we'd be getting in the room late and passing out and not waking up and going and running.
Called that HHN, yo.
Yeah, that HHN morning after.
Morning after.
But yes, this will be fun today. You could barely see the volcano. I saw it a little bit. It's kind of behind that building back there. That's the Cabana Bay Resort Hotel. Whoa, look at them geckos. Baby alligators.
Baby alligators.
Nature. Oh, there's another one. They jump. It's trippy. These things jump. Whoa. What is this? Okay. All right. We just got through security check. We are cleared. We are not bringing anything bad inside. And it looks like this, I think, is our own pathway. There's nobody here. Well, we're not at the park yet. But here we are. Volcano Bay. Ooh, exciting. Go ahead, Mary. This way, Mary. This way. Ooh. Super excited.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, we're going to Volcano Bay.
This is cool. Super exciting. There's a walkway. Let's go up the escalator instead, yeah? This looks awesome. This looks awesome. Jeez, just the pathway to it is an adventure.
Guys, it really isn't that. I'm impressed with how close it is to our hotel.
Yeah, this is really close. We're only taking minutes to get here.
Like literally a hop, skip, and a jump. Versus Universal's time, 30 to 40 minutes
Hey.
to walk to.
Ooh, here's the entrance. I guess they didn't need our hotel key. Oh wait, there's hotel mission. Oh. You could get pretty wet. Wait a minute. Whoa! Look at that. Look at that. That is so cool. That is so cool. So, luckily, the guy at the turnstile said we didn't need to get express. The only one that would have a long wait would be the water roller coaster.
Yeah.
Which I say we go to that first because I've never been on something like that.
Yeah.
That would be cool. And this place looks nice, guys. Woof. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Aqua coaster's only 15-minute wait. That's what we gotta do right there. It's towards the back. Whoa, sprinklers. What's that? Oh, mist. Miss! Oh, it's to keep the floor wet so your feet don't burn. Wow.
That's smart.
That is awesome. And is it just going on because we're walking by now? Wait, here we go. Restroom and locker. Perfect, Mary. I got it. Okay, we are at lunchtime. Our vlog is a little whack because I didn't bring the GoPro and we're kind of worried with our cell phone covers. We don't know how good they are, but we're gonna try them out anyways later. Yeah, and I didn't feel like carrying around the GoPro. Right, Mary?
Yeah.
Anyways, where did we eat? Where are we eating?
I'm not sure. I didn't pay attention too much to this.
But
oh wait, it'll say at the top of the receipt.
it's got we have a nice little view of plant
We are here
life.
at the Coca-Cola Reef Restaurant and Social Club.
Food looks delicious. Mary got ribs. Mary loves ribs.
I really did lose him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I mean, there's the Tim. Oh, this is so cool, you guys. Oh, people are legit screaming. Ah! Tapu, tapu. Tapu, tapu. Tim, are you ready?
Ready for the thrust.
Let's get dangerous. Well, this is not really lazy. This is the treacherous river. Lazy river.
Isn't that cool? There's a slide going right down there, and then it goes over there. Oh man, it's crazy. Yes, and the sand is so soft and warm.
Burying our feet in the sand.
It's so cool. We only have like about 3 hours, 20 minutes left. We've done pretty much all the slides. I've tried 2 body slides. I won't do that one that drops way up there like that. I might consider trying the other one that's right, a drop floor one behind it. I can't really pronounce these names too well.
Yeah.
They're all Hawaiian names and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's cool. This is a cool park. So yeah, we are in the locker room now. We've had a fun-filled day. Mary got a lot of footage on her cell phone, so yeah. We didn't bring the GoPro. I didn't want to bring the GoPro.
Forgive me if it looks a little blurry because it's in a waterproof case.
Yeah, it's in one of these bobbers right here. I had one too, but I didn't really, honestly, I kind of didn't feel like carrying around a phone today. So yeah, it was fun though. We had a good time. And we'll get some B-roll on the way out so you can see what it looks like. Too bad, it would be great to see what this place looks like at night. We're kind of here on off season, so maybe next time we come back it will be open a little later. We can see what it looks like at night. Because it is open late and there's like fire that comes out of the top of the volcano and cool stuff. Anyways, yeah, enjoy our walk out of here. I'll end this vlog once we get out of here. We got to get our pictures and stuff like that. We'll check out the merch stores. Another thing is everything's been done on these little wristband things right here. Our photos are on here, virtual live time. You could even get in the lockers, and there's also features around the park that work it. Here we are squeaking. Our flip-flops are squeaking.
Yeah.
Is yours squeaking or is it just mine that are
Nope,
squeaking?
mine squeak too, but little squeaks.
They squeak. So another cool thing they have here, guys, let me flip the camera. On the floor, they have sprayers that spray cool water. So your feet don't fry. So you could basically run around here barefooted if you really wanted to. Like, look, see, all the ground is wet. But not really everywhere though, because in here it's not, so you'd be screwed. We're gonna go to this Coca-Cola Freestyle kiosk we spotted earlier. It's alone by itself. Nobody knows about it now. It's at an additional seating spot. We've been getting that lemonade today. We recharged our Halloween Horror Nights cup. God, these things are so crazy. What are we gonna get, Mary? I think I'm okay. Where's the tea at, actually? Oh, there, go.
What if I get a raspberry iced tea? Is that cool with
You have to push hard. Like, there, that's fine. Get it. Ooh, the peach one's good too, though. We have refills till 1 in the morning. I didn't really pay attention to how much the recharge was, but considering we're here a lot, that's our best deal, really, to recharge the cup. We just have one, so we just share it. They let you have unlimited refills for the day as long as you pay for it. So yeah, this is a nice little area. This is such a nice water park. We had such a satisfying day, guys. We are super happy. We have no problem. Well, we kind of want to leave early because also our pictures are on this thing. And we have the photo pass, so we want to check out all our photos, get those downloaded. So yeah.
Because we got today. We got it.
Got it. They're pretty cool.
Towels are really nice.
They really are nice, these
I
beach
wonder how much
towels.
they are. Might be tempted to buy one, you guys.
You guys.
30 bucks.
30 bucks. 30 bucks. Oh, they're really big. They're really cool. Ooh.
Oh, these are cool.
All the lanyards. Here's a.
That's really cool, actually. It's a women's.
No, it's a women's tank top.
Is it
Man, no guys like to wear tank tops around here, I guess. Or actually, I'm at the wrong time of season, actually, no. It's fall now, but to me, it's still hot.
Sun, swim, splash, play, relax.
Cool, cool. Look at though, this is cool. This feels like it's thicker. Nice. Guys,
Makes it more than worth
look
it.
at, see if you can see it. Move over this way. And these guys talk to you. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That volcano back there?
I love it, guys. I never want to leave.
I know, we don't want to leave. And then this guy's mumbling right here. This guy.
And then there's
Flip
a
the
bigger
camera.
store right there.
Yeah, we'll go check out that store real quick if you want. Here's another store. More shops. More shops. Yeah, I didn't go. This is the water shirt. Look at it's an FPF 50 shirt. We don't get burned that easy. That's for the people that get burned. Yeah. Look, there's a Spirit jersey. I wouldn't buy one though. I'm trying to get tan. Oh, do they have a Volcano Bay one? No. So ours says H for our pass holder one?
Yeah.
How funny. There's a little pineapple? Oh yeah, there's those magnets. Exit time. Oh no, we weren't eating over there. Yeah, I think we were eating over there, Mary.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were. We were eating right over there. That's why I kept hearing that noise.
Yeah.
That's cool they have automatic photo location. I kind of wish they had those everywhere. Sometimes there's not people around at certain spots and you're like, this would be such a good photo op. We have to take off our thingies. Oh, look at he's still missing that kid, Mary?
Yeah.
Oh man.
That sucks.
Oh, poor guy.
I'd be having a panic.
Yeah, I don't know how the parents not freaking out. Right? I'd be freaking out, man. I'd be freaking out if it was my kid. Okay, we're taking off the tappa. Tappas. This way?
Anywhere?
Thank you. Tappas. What were those called? Tappa. Look at this thing. This is a turnstile. It's a digital turnstile. Thank you. That was awesome. Satisfied to the max.
Yeah, that poor baby.
I know. B-roll. How cool this place is. Final wet? No.
Yeah, I have to.
Wait, it gets high, Mary. It gets high.
He's still talking.
Who's still talking? Oh, the guy?
Yeah.
This is such a cool water park. This was nice. We used our dining plan worked here. We had photo pass, so all the photos we took. Yes,
and
our
then
refills.
also, we didn't need express, and we got to enjoy everything we wanted to.
Yeah, we didn't do express. So we did just, regular lines. The only things that we would suggest was what the guy at the turnstile said is get on that aqua coaster first thing.
First thing.
Because everybody loves that. It's super popular. Oh yeah, there's our little escalator down back to our hotel area. It's a really cool little walkway here. I don't know if this was our own private entrance or what, but it was awesome. And then there's the cabana right there. The Cabana Bay Resort. We are going this way because this is where our hotel takes us. Or this is where our hotel is, this way. Yeah. Hey guys, we're ending the vlog. We're walking back to our hotel room. This is pretty much going to end our day. I don't think we're going to do anything else. We're going to just take it easy. We're going to go to a restaurant, city walk, and stuff like that. So thanks so much guys for watching. Hit that like button if you like this video and till our next adventure.
Thank you.
Huge shout out to our Patreon supporters Tom and Albert. Peace.